Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of solving SQL. So before we are going to solve today's SQL problem, let me solve the yesterday's SQL problem using CT. So you should have remembered the last problem that we have solved. Uh, that is, there are certain stocks we need to find the total gain or loss, okay, of those stocks. So how to do this using CT? So I can write one CTS, suppose total bought, okay, or simply write CTS. So in this CT, I will add uh, all the prices of stocks that are bought, okay. So I will select the stock name, comma, uh, the sum of price, as suppose buy price, or simply this is the price. This is simply write as spent, okay, because this is the price I paid to buy this stock. So from this table stocks where the operation is buy, okay, buy. I need to group by. So this table, let me show you what this table will look like. Start from C. Let us run this table. See, so this table with lead code say 1000. So in the input table, lead code buy was is 1000. Liquor is sold. Only liquor is bought only once, 1000 rupees, 1000. Corona masks. Corona masks we buy 10. Buy Corona masks buy again 1000. And Corona masks buy again 1000. Corona mask is 1000 plus 1000 plus 10, 2010. Then again handbags. Handbags buy 30,000. Handbags is no more. So handbags is 30,000. Okay. So mm, I got this table where all the prices when the stock is bought, I have added all those prices when the stock is bought. Now, when the stock is sold, I will add all the prices. CT2S. I will write the same code here. I'm going to write the same code here. Okay. Instead of buy, I will write sell here. Okay, I will write sell here. And if I do this, you can see what this will return me. Okay, something is wrong here. Wait. Okay, not this comma, it is taken. Sorry, it is this comma. This is not the semicolon, it is the comma. Okay. So now you see lead code is 9000 spent. Lead code is sold one time. Okay, lead code is sold one time at 9000, and lead code is sold only once 9000. Corona masks, see 10,010 sold once 10,010 plus 500, 1510 plus 10,000. So 1510 plus 10,000, 11,510. So this is that. Similarly, handbag sold once 7,000. Okay. So instead of spent here, let me write gained here. That because that is the money we gained after selling the stock. Now here, what will I do? I will simply subtract the uh, gain minus bet. Right. I will write stock name, comma, gained. The money I gained minus the money I spent as your capital gain loss. Okay, capital gain loss from what? From the first city table. I am going to join the next city table on C dot stock name equal to C2 dot stock. Okay, and I can write here gain this what C2, right? Dot and spread is C. Stock name I can write C also here, C dot. Okay, so if I do this and if I run this query, this will result me in the correct answer, and if I submit, this will get accepted. Okay, if I submit again, let me read it. Okay, I cannot submit it right. Okay, so this got accepted. So I hope you have understood the problem, how to solve this using CT also. Okay, now let us go to today's problem, how to solve this. So welcome the today's problem is list the products ordered in a period. So this is an easy problem, but you can say this is medium level problem. Okay, list the products ordered in a period. So in this problem, there are two tables. First table is products. It has product ID, product name, product category. So product ID is the primary column of the unique values for this table. Okay, product ID is the primary column. Product name is the name of the product, and product category is the category of the product. Now orders table, it is the orders table. This table may have duplicated rows. That means there is no primary key for this data. Product ID is the foreign key reference to the product table. Product ID is the okay. Order date is the order date of the product, and unit is the number of items bought. Now the question is write a solution to get the names of the product that have at least 100 units ordered in February 2020 and their amount. Okay, I have to mention the products name of those products that were bought in 2020, February 2020, and the number of units bought must be greater than 100. Okay, return the table in any order. So how to solve this problem? How do you solve this problem? So let us go through the example. Have to filter. We have to put filter conditions for this too. Okay. First, let us go through the example. There are how many products? 5 products. Five products are there. Okay. In the orders table, all the products are bought once, right? All the products are bought once, at least once. Now, for February 2020, right? February 2020. So you see the date January. This is January. I will not consider this. So I can filter the first table, orders table, by looking at the order date. The order date must be in February. Order date like I can put the like condition. Order date like this 2020 02. Put the wildcard symbol. Okay. So March I do not need. March I do not need. Again March I do not need this. So February I will need. So product ID 1 and 1, these two are bought in February. So total unit bought is how much? 130. So I will report product ID 1. Okay. 130. Total unit bought is 130. And what is the product ID 1? Lead code solutions. So lead code solutions 130. Correct. Next, number 2. It is bought in January. I will not consider it is bought in February. But it is bought that unit is less than 100. So I will not report this. Next, number 3. Product ID is bought. Number 3 is bought in February. but the number of units is 5 only, less than 100. I will not report this. Number 4, it is bought in only March, so I will not add the units. I will simply not consider this. Next product category 5, one of it bought in March, but I will consider these two rows only. So 50 plus 50 is 100. So I will report this. Number 5, I will report because the name of the products have at least 100 rupees ordered. So it is satisfying this condition. At least 100 is satisfying the condition. So I will report this. Number 5. What is the product name for number 5? Lead code kit. So lead code kit is 100. Okay. I hope you have understood the problem. Although it is easy, it is written easy. It is a little difficult than easy, you can say. You can consider it is a medium level problem. So try to solve the problem in the lead code. Go to lead code, solve this problem, and I will be solving here after you have unpaused the video. So how to solve this? I can solve this by simple filtering the data. Okay, just by filtering this data, I can solve the problem. So let me show you how to solve this problem. I can write select. I need the what product name, right? Product name and unit. Okay, so let me write product name and the unit, sum of the unit, sum of the unit as unit only. From what? From the orders table, I have to join it with orders table. I have to join it with products table. On what? O dot product ID equal to P dot product ID. Okay, and I have to put a where clause here, where the order date, O dot order date, like what, 2022 to 2020 02, and put the wildcard symbol. Order date must be looking like this. And the product name is from which table? Product name is from P table. Unit is from which table? O table. Okay. And since I am doing the sum, I have to do a group by here. Group by 1, I can write having. I have to write the having condition because of the units. Sum of the units must be less than 100. Sorry, greater than 100. Greater than equal to 100. So I can write the sum of the units and copy this, must be greater than equal to 100, or simply greater than 99 I can also write. But I think this query will work for this. I hope you have understood it. I am grouping the query by product name. I am adding all the units. I am adding all the values of the units column. Where the order date is, this order date must look like 2020 February. Okay. And I am joining the orders table and products table on the basis of the product ID. And then I am grouping the first column by one, first column, and then I am checking the sum of the resultant table must be greater than equal to 10. That means I am eliminating those rows whose sum is less than 100. Okay, so if I run this, so this got accepted. So and if I submit, I hope it will get accepted. So this beats 98 highest. So this beats 98.5%. So I hope you have understood the problem. I hope you have understood the solution also. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt regarding this. And if you like it, then share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you and see you in the next video.